How to change your Windows 11 lock screen wallpaper. Your lock screen is the first thing you see when you start up your computer. So why not make it something you love? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of PC personalization, showing you step by step how to change your lock screen wallpaper on Windows 11. It's a simple process, but it can make a world of difference in how you feel about your computer. Let's get started. First, right-click on your desktop and click Personalize. Under Personalization, you'll see several customization options. Click on Lock Screen. In the lock screen settings, you can choose a background image. Click on the drop-down menu to the right of Personalize your lock screen. The default setting is Spotlight, which shows a different wallpaper every time you start your computer. If you choose Slideshow, your PC will fetch images that are in your Pictures folder, but you can change this folder by clicking the Remove button to its right and by clicking Browse to choose another folder. Once set, you will see that your computer will cycle through a series of images as your lock screen wallpaper. This feature allows you to set multiple images, and your computer will automatically change the lock screen wallpaper to a different image from the designated folder at regular intervals. If you choose Picture, you can select a picture from the pre-installed wallpapers, or you can click on Browse Photos to choose a custom image from your computer. And there you have it. Changing your lock screen wallpaper is a simple way to personalize your computer and make it truly yours. Feel free to experiment with different images to keep things fresh and exciting. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.